Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure you're signed into the correct classroom account. This prevents submission errors. Once done, gather the files or photos you'll attach, take new photos or choose from Drive. Now open the Google Classroom app, tap the class tile, and go straight to classwork. Find the assignment by title and tap it to view full instructions. This immediate focus saves time. You're now in the right place to start the submission workflow. You'll attach work by tapping View Assignment, then Add or Create. This opens options like Drive, File, or Camera. If you need a photo of handwritten work, use Camera and confirm clarity. Make sure edges and writing are readable. For typed work, attach docs or PDFs from Drive. Once attached, reorder or remove items. Add a private comment if you need the teacher to note something specific. Then double-check the due date, and that each file opens as expected before moving on. When everything is attached and checked, tap Turn in or mark as done, confirm at the prompt, and watch for the confirmation banner so you know it succeeded. If you must change files, reopen the assignment, remove or replace attachments, then turn in again before the deadline. If the upload fails, try reconnecting to Wi-Fi, toggle airplane mode, or clear the app cache as a reliable fallback. Upload your file to Drive and paste the link into the assignment comment so the teacher can access it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.